What is up, guys? Tanner with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. Today it actually started snowing a little bit here in North Carolina. Usually doesn't snow much, but it's not cold enough for anything to really stick. So I don't know if I'll have school tomorrow or not. Probably will, maybe like an hour or two delay. But in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some of your guys' stores. So on my Instagram account, I put on my story, I said, if you want me to review your store for a YouTube video, send me your link and I'll review it. So I can't do everybody's, of course, because that would take hours on hours on hours. Now let's get in this video. I'm gonna be reviewing them. And before we get in this video, make sure you drop a like below. I wanna see that you guys are engaged. So drop a like before we get in this video and hope you guys enjoy it. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so now we're on my computer. I picked out a few websites just randomly off the DMs that I received. I picked a few here and there. I didn't just, pick every single one in a row. So we're on my computer here. I have already typed in the links all up here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 websites to look at. So this might take 10 to 15 minutes or so as the final edited video. So the first one we are on right here. And guys, before we get into this video, my course, almost done. I've just completed the Facebook ad section. I'm working on a print on demand section and a bunch of other stuff. So, what I'm doing is a little bit different than other people's courses. I'm bringing on features of my business friends and putting them together on my course to share knowledge because, I don't know everything. And, some of my business friends are better in different aspects of dropshipping than I am. So I want to allow their knowledge to come into my course and help you guys learn and make more money. So stay on the lookout for that. If you're already in my course, the new content will be uploaded tonight and you guys will be having access to that. But if you're not in my course, I will be doing a relaunch soon. So just stay tuned, watch my videos, keep up with my Instagram, and get ready. So now let's get back to this video. thecanarystore.com. So I've had it sitting here. The first thing I see right here is a pop-up for newsletters and promotions. This is pretty standard. A lot of people have pop-ups, for emails, because data is everything when it comes to, creating a successful e-commerce store, whether it's dropshipping or not. All of your results are dependent on data that you collect in order to use it for marketing, get more sales and stuff like that. So right here, most of the time what I would tell you guys to do is if you're gonna have a pop-up, don't make it come up as soon as the website, as someone goes on the website. Have it come up, 15 seconds after someone's on the website or after they've scrolled halfway down the page. And you can usually set up those settings within the app that you're using to do the pop-up. So that's what I would do with this, but the pop-up overall, I sort of like it. The colors are a little weird. I see what they did with the promotion thing right here and then had it match the sweater. But, not too bad. I'm going to say do not show this pop-up again. And now we are here. Clean. The Canary Store. I like the logo that they made right here. It says, we use cookies to give the best, blah, 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 blah. Alright, just a little terms and services. Usually, if you were doing something like that, I would just put it at the bottom instead of the top. Because, that's pretty standard for websites nowadays to use cookies. So, yeah. Overall, I like this. The search bar. Let me just look up something completely random. I just went on this website. I don't know what it's all about and stuff like that. I'm going to look up watch. Let's see if it has watches. Alright, what the heck? This is like a whole AliExpress website. What is this? Watch batteries? What do they do? Import the whole AliExpress website or what? 41. What the heck? Oh my gosh, you literally imported the whole AliExpress website. What the heck? So I'm guessing, hold on. Man, it's a slow server they're running this on. Shipped to 50 plus countries, 30 days money back guaranteed. Yeah, so basically this is like AliExpress. This looks like an AliExpress kind of website where it's just all kinds of stuff, junk, super cheap. The different pricing. If I were you, I would add a currency changer here at the top so you can change the currencies on all the prices. For me in America, I don't know what this translates to in American US dollars. So yeah, this seems just like stuff straight out of AliExpress. Has the standard titles, the weird titles. Let's see, the descriptions of that. Let's see, let's go to fashion. Pajamas and sleeve blankets. Yeah, so I guess this store has pretty much a ton of random stuff. Perfume, cosmetics, home, garden. Overall, it's a very clean store. I like the setup of what it is, but it's a little bit weird, a little bit funky. I don't know what to call it. I don't know how you're marketing this exactly. It seems like it'll be sort of tough. Off the bat here, where you just see the Canary Store and then this background of this, modern kitchen, koi fish in the water. This looks like a render. Doesn't look like it's real. But it's sort of weird. It's sort of off-putting. I feel like it would be better if you made that section a little bit smaller here and like get rid of this. Like this random thing right here is just so weird looking with this beer hat thing. It just, it doesn't go well together. So I guess you have an account, all this kind of stuff, the logo. I don't know exactly what to say to this because there's just so much going on here. I'm not sure how you're marketing it and all that stuff because it's literally just so many products, and like I don't know what this is, all these different brands, if they're like Chinese supplier brands or what's going on here. So I don't know what I need to say for all of this. So I'm gonna just go on to the next one because, you know, as you can see, there's just so much. It would take so long to go through every single thing and be like, don't do this, do this. But overall, solid store. I don't know what the main goal of this is, but yeah, let's go to the next one. The charcoal outlet. First thing right off the bat, get rid of this image in the background. Very low quality, doesn't look good. Charcoal outlet, as well as that, the logo, I would try to make something without like a white box around it, something that is a file that's transparent, so it, you know, you only see the text, or maybe you want that. Free shipping at the top, it looks a little bit weird. I'll just get rid of that. It looks a little bland, empty. Products, our story, contact us, FAQ, frequently asked questions, the pop-up down here, sales pop. What do we got going on? Alright, so this whole front page, as soon as you land on it, just looks bad. I'm going to say that straight off the bat. It just looks bad. This top bar here that says free shipping, you know, it looks just weird, out of place. Shop now, that's all that's there, you know, a low quality image. It just doesn't go well together. Make sure when you guys are designing your websites, you make sure that it's configured both for mobile and desktop to look very well. So make sure you optimize it for both devices, you know, different settings, because it's going to look different. Because on a mobile device, this screen is going to be very more compact, and it's going to look a lot different than how it looks right now. So right here, let's go to our story. Okay, I know people have made a lot of money off of the charcoal products, you know, something that did very well for a while. I'm not sure how it's doing right now, but I see the general consensus of, you know, what this is trying to do, what it's trying to achieve. But, you know, I could tell here with the logo, I guess you want it to just look like that, so I would create a different file. Make sure it doesn't have a background, and as well as the pictures in the back, you know, it doesn't really go with the website. I don't feel like it seems a little bit out of place. Products, what we got here: dental care, skincare, makeup, hair, sale. Let's see, what would I do here? Add some more stuff, add some testimonials, add maybe not all of these featured products, maybe a few featured products, not 6 products or whatever you got here. Yeah. The sections here, I'll try to make them congruent, make the pictures the similar size before you upload them onto Shopify, because you want to make it look good and optimize it well. So I would make sure I would make all the pictures like a square size, so it's not like these different size things. Let's see, as well as I would add like a featured product after this first home thing, just to sort of show like what the company's all about with the solid description. Let's go to one of these products, see other descriptions. Alright, so this is, you know, common description, just all text, but people, they don't want to read that. They like bullet points. So you can have all that information, but, you know, more spread out, and people will be more likely to read it. And if your words are, you know, good at converting, then people are going to read it and it's going to make sense and make them want to buy it. But if it's just this long paragraph here, you know, I'm not even going to read any of this because I don't want to read a paragraph about this product. I just want to, you know, figure out what it's about, how much it costs, and when it's going to get to me. I would just add a little bit more, you know, branding to it. Just, you know, it just seems like products. There's not really much of a brand behind it. Any social media things at the bottom? Nope. Make sure you guys have your Instagram tagged here down at the bottom. Next one, Epic House. Epic House wants to show notifications. Sure. Alright, here we go. The first thing I see on like most stores, a pop-up. We've got something for you. Sign up and get a chance to enter our monthly giveaways. Alright, I'm good. I don't want to do that. Another low quality image as a background. I see it's a slideshow, but still, low quality image. And this just looks out of place, you know? No logo, just this text, free shipping on all orders, Epic House. If you have Epic House, I would make a cool little logo out of that, not just have it say Epic House. On sale, novelty mugs. Looks weird. I would add a little bit more branding, like something about the company, like say Epic House, or have the logo there, or have it say, you know, something that's more appealing. Make the section a little smaller so all the space isn't being taken up by this one little promotion or whatever you want to call it. What are the other tabs? Egglets. Low quality picture. Low quality picture. Scroll down, men, women, home, office, pets. Alright, so it's just a ton of different stuff. Guys, I would try and zone in on, a specific niche. That's what's worked best for me, as well as some of my other friends that are, very involved with drop shipping, is zoning in on a niche and a certain product area instead of just all kinds of stuff. Because, there's a ton of stores like this that are just very broad, and, there's ways you can make sales, ways you can market them and make a lot of money. But really, you just need to get into it and actually zone in on a product that makes a lot of money and then base products around that. Like, this is just so much stuff all over the place, and the products that people would buy, but if you're not marketing them properly, like let's say this product, let's just say this pillow right here is very popular, thousands and millions of people want to buy it, but they just go to your website, it's not there. They see something about egglets and novelty mugs. That's why it's about zoning in on a certain niche. Make sure that people see what they want. See some messenger stuff down here on the bottom right. So now let's go to the next one, the Delta Fit store. So I saw the guy send me this, like a big fitness page. Let's see here. If this is the logo right here, the Delta Fit right here, or if that, I don't know if that's for the picture that you got this, or you got the picture from, or if that's your actual logo. But if that's your logo, I would add that, replace it instead of the Delta Fit, add that in there. And if it's not your logo, then I'll probably find a different picture just so you're not using somebody else's logo on your own website. Seems like all the ones I picked are using the same theme, where it has the big picture as the home page. That theme, I don't really like that theme that much. I mean, most themes you can toggle with and make them and customize them to your own standards, a lot. But for this one, just not for me. Home, products, about us. I would add a contact page too up there. Scroll down, collections. All right, all I see here is boring. All right, so all I see here is, some barbells right here, some plates, some bumper plates. Scroll down, collections, and here's just some random products that they relate to weightlifting and stuff like that, but it's not really zoned in. So it's Respond Me. I guess this guy's from a different country, and so there's different languages. So I would try to make that say like sale or something, because most people that read this are most likely going to be English or speak English. So we have here, this is free plus shipping, I guess. I would try to create something a little bit more bold. So let's say this home background here, have some big muscular guy, like lifting or something like that that looks super cool. I would probably change the theme. You make it look a little bit more aggressive as a fitness kind of thing, as well as products. Instead of products, I'll probably do categories. Have a drop down, say for like weightlifting equipment, as in maybe like gloves, like stuff people use for weightlifting, and then accessories, clothing, jewelry, like this kind of stuff here, instead of just scrolling down and seeing just products here. So yeah, I'd work on that a little bit, add just some more information. It's just a little bit bland, and it'll be tough to market and get sales and convert just because of how it looks, as well as the descriptions. Not very good. I need to make a video on that actually. Alright, now let's go to the next one, findingloveshop.com. I saw what they had up there. That's like an actual plugin. You see when you leave the tab, oh, it's not doing it now, but it'll say like don't leave the page or something like that. Like let's say I go to this product here and I leave it, and usually I don't know, it was doing it when I was on the other ones. But anyways, let's go back to the home page of here. Peace, love, positivity. You got the little logic memo going there. These colors don't really correlate. It just looks weird with the, you got the bright red top screaming at you, free shipping worldwide. You have the logo, then you have like this yellow, orange text here for that stuff. But really, the colors don't really match. And then you have like the background pictures here for peace, love, and positivity. It really doesn't go well, in my opinion. I would probably change that, something more a little bit, that goes together. Like instead of this red, add something like maybe a light blue. And here, the text, just make it black. Or maybe something else, just, something that goes with the website, like some kind of red or something, since you're doing like this rose thing here with the clothing. Something that goes a little bit more together. Yeah, because this is a finding love, so let's say it's a love shop, add some red in there, add some pink, or, something that correlates a little more than this weird, ugly yellow orange. The logo, it's alright, not the best in the world. You can always change stuff, have new designs, figure out what you want to do with that. I'm not going to be the person critiquing the logos and all that, because I'm myself not the best logo designer. But we go down here, peace, love, positivity. I would probably keep it just one slide. And if you make this section any smaller, I would. And find one picture that sort of correlates. Like, this is a classy picture right here. I like that one. The other ones, not as much. Maybe the positivity one. But I'll try to put peace, love, and positivity within all of them, or have Finding Love shop, you know, known for peace, love, and positivity, whatever you want to call it. Go down here, rose crop top, colors, size. The colors, I already talked about that. Let's see the options. Let's see if this works. Yeah, we're good there. The descriptions. Descriptions are very important when it comes to actually converting, you know, a page visit to a sale. So someone goes to look at this product, but you have to make a description that actually converts this customer and be like, hey, I saw this product, but now I'm actually gonna buy it, you know, spend my money, spend my time buying this product and getting it to me. So instead of this where it just says short, lightweight, sweatshirt, blah, 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 I don't even want to read it just because, you know, it's a weird outlay. So what you do, you need to have a hook is the first sentence. I'll make a different separate video on, you know, creating a solid description that converts. But you need to actually, you know, make something as a hook is the first sentence. Like, replace this with a hook sentence. Something like, our official rose crop top, known to all women in the South Coast. I don't know, anything that hooks a person. And then, like, you add the facts as bullet points. And then at the bottom, you know, you talk about the shipping times and stuff like that. That's something you definitely need to make known as a drop shipping store. Scroll down here, testimonials. Also, I would create categories, add a little bit more, you know, in-depth stuff, because this is just basically all clothing, you know, something a little bit random. What I try to do is keep things that look similar, that correlate together, that make sense looking together. Like this just looks a little bit off, you know, with the different colors and, you know, different colored everything products and stuff like that. A little bit more neat. People like that more and it converts well. So let's go to the next one, themoderntechco.com. Honestly, if I were you, if you could, get themoderntech.co as your domain instead of themoderntechco.com or .co or .com is usually what I go with. I don't go with a .net or .org or anything like that. The logo, nice and clean. If you can, I'd make this section a little bit smaller, the white section here between this image and the top URL bar. Home, store, got the little drop down menu. Oh, the charger picture isn't there. About us, help. Let's see, I need help. Alright, so it's like a frequently asked questions thing. Okay. Let's scroll down here. Pop up, there we go. Not coming up immediately. I like that. As well as with the red color there, I'll try to change that something to maybe like a blue or something. My camera battery is about to die here, so I need to figure this out and get it done real quick. But anyways, what I was saying, you need to change this red button here to something that correlates more with, you know, the modern tech, something blue or gray or something that goes with that. As well as down here where it says Pet Mogul Supply, make sure you change that to the Modern Tech Co. I guess that's the store you had before. I like what you did here. It seems a little bit messy though with having the timer here at the top. I'll move that to the bottom if I were you. Seems a little bit cluttered with like all the stuff you have here. I see you've been watching Hayden's videos with the bottom thing here. I would probably, I don't know, you can leave it, but you know, just sort of neat things out a little bit. I like what you did here, as well as probably with the images, I would make it something a little bit more clean, you know, not just a bunch of text. Like with my images, I try to make sure they don't have any text or anything like that. I see what you're trying to do here since it's a wireless charging pad, but you know, try and figure things out, make it look a little bit more clean, put the details, you know, within the descriptions, you know, to say the charging times to get people to actually buy it and convert. I like this image here. Instead of just putting the text on here, this is something you guys should all do. You know, get a picture, put the text you want on there with your font, your logo, whatever, and then upload it as an image, so then it's not the text on the actual Shopify store like this is right here. It is an image uploaded. So what I would do, I would get rid of this second slide right here, just keep the first one, and store, about us, fix the charger things, accessories. Yeah, it's solid. Find a good product. I don't know how well these do. I know I actually bought one of these, but I bought it from Apple, the charging pads for my new iPhone. But I'm sure one of these products on here is good. Just keep testing, figure out what works and what doesn't. So that's gonna be it for this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.